has 2 minutes to pass. I got 2 minutes on the timer. This thing getting tight, honey. This thing getting tight. This water gel clay mask, honey. I know I'm looking different, honey, but yeah, this thing is tight. This it's tight. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am Shirley. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and to my returning subscribers, hi guys, how are you? I hope that you all are having a wonderful day wherever you are at in the world. And on today's video, I wanted to touch on my Sunday morning skincare routine, especially if I have to go somewhere that is fancy, because today, honey, my cousin in love, honey, she getting married today, and I said, oh, I have to bring out the reinforcements to make sure that my skin is feeling soft and looking healthy underneath this makeup slay to the gods that I'm about to do. So if you would like to see the well-priced and convenient Korean skincare 5-piece skincare kit that I use, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I am a big fan of Laneige. Laneige used to be sold in Target, so that's where I first originally learned about Laneige. And let me let you guys know, I think that Laneige is such a good product, only because for me, my skin can tend to be a little bit sensitive if a skincare brand has like real harsh ingredients within the product. And so when I stumbled upon Laneige, I was just like, yes, give it to me, darling. And then they discontinued selling it at Target, and I just was like, oh man, now I'm gonna have to order online. And no, I didn't have to order online. They sell Laneige at Sephora, because y'all know Sephora just be taking all of our money and just giving us points or whatever. So I buy my Laneige products from Sephora. Thank goodness that Sephora ended up being the company that sells it, because to be very honest with you, I really didn't want to have to purchase it online. I actually like going into the store and seeing all the different brands that they have. And so on my Sunday mornings, even when I'm not going to a wedding or out, just my Sunday morning skincare routine, I like to pamper myself on this day, because you know what? It gets me pepped up, revved up for Monday and the work week. And so on Sundays, honey, Sunday morning, I light me a candle and I pull out this kit. I'm going to show you what this kit is. This kit is called the Pick Me Kit, and it is the, I want to make sure that I'm giving you the correct name. It is the Laneige Pore Care Trial Size Kit, and it comes like this. When you pick it up from Sephora, this is exactly how the kit comes, and this kit retails for $25, and there's 5 different products within this kit. I love it because it is so convenient. It's like a little Ziploc bag type of situation. But if you're traveling and you want to make sure that you're keeping up with your skincare kit, Laneige has like this one, and Laneige has another one that I use for the nighttime skincare routine, which I will do a video on that one at a later day, later time. But this is the one that I typically use on my Sundays, whether I'm here at home or whether I'm traveling. I take this with me. Love this. This is like my 4th kit, because I like the kits, and yeah, I just like the kits. So I'm going to show you all the kits that come inside of it. My face is clean, honey. I washed my face already. I did the mask that comes in here, as well as I put toner on and I put the gel on. So I'm gonna open this up so that you all can see exactly what comes inside of here. On the back of the package, it actually tells you exactly how to use each product in the steps. So it gives you the steps in which how to use it. So it's not like you're going in here blind and you're like, oh, what am I supposed to do with this? That's not what's happening. So the first part of this kit that I use is the Laneige Cleansing Multi Cleanser for all skin types. And here it is right here. This cleanser is delicious. It foams beautifully. It's silky. It's smooth. I don't know what they got going on in here, but it's like the benefits is it's cleansing and it's exfoliating, but it's exfoliating and it doesn't have the little beads things that tend to irritate people's skin at times. Like, it's just delicious. It's creamy, it's smooth. I love this cleanser in this one. And then I also use the cleanser in the hydrating kit that I use at night, and both of them have like the same consistency. It's just, when I can say a cleanser is delicious, hello, when I can say a cleanser is delicious, I know. And then the next part of this kit is the mini pore water clay mask, and I will insert a clip of me with the water clay mask on so that you guys can see it. Y'all know I'm just a fool, so you guys, I'm gonna insert the clip for you all to see. But this is the water clay mask. And listen, when you put this thing on your face, when it starts to dry, it does get tight and everything like that. But remember, this is the pore kit. So you know, whenever you have these masks that are pore minimizing or for the pores, you guys know that the mask will get tight, honey, because they try to shrink down your pores, honey, because my pores be trying to open up and come to worship service at the church, honey, and I'd be like, who invited you to the pulpit, pores? Calm down. Be the church member that sits in the back quietly reading your Bible while the pastor preaching. Don't come out and try to beat on the choir. That's how I feel like my pores be doing me. My pores be trying to be the lead singer in the choir on Sunday morning. I'll be like, pores, relax. My God. Oh my God. So this thing right here will tighten them pores up. Okay. Okay. The next item on here after you use the water clay mask is the toner. Oh, this toner right here smells, oh my God, wait, things falling all over me. You better stop it. This toner smells so good, my goodness. And it's the Essential Power Skin Toner for combination to oily skin. I used a cotton pad and I saturated it with this toner, and I just went on and I put it all over my face. This toner smells beautiful. Like the toner smells delicious. This too, I don't know, Laneige, you better stop it. You better stop it, taking all my doggone money. And then after the toner, as the toner sets in, kind of seeps into your skin, I go in with the next line in this kit, and it is the Water Bake Hydrating Gel for all skin types. And this is Laneige's most popular product. A part of the line is the hydrating gel. It is so, oh my God. It's like a nice white consistency, and it just feels so good. Like, oh God, like it just feels so soft. So this right here, I already put on my face, and my skin just feels so soft. But the piece de resistance on it, the piece de resistance for me, a part of this pore care trial kit that Laneige has, is the mini pore blur perfector. This thing will have your skin feeling as soft and smooth as a baby's bottom. When I tell you, listen, and I haven't put this one on yet, but I'm gonna put it on right now so that you guys can see. But I'm putting it on just like this. Sure am. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know, guys. I know. But and I make sure that I focus it on this area that I was talking to you all about, because like I said, like my pores, honey, especially my pores right here, like they're rude. My pores, let me get some for the top of my okay, don't embarrass me now. Listen, my pores, honey, my pores be trying to embarrass the life out of me sometimes. And I'm like, look, I'm getting ready to go to this wedding. It's gonna be outside in South Miami. So you know the sun is not gonna be playing with us today. And I need my pores to, I need you to obey yourself, pores. I need you to obey. I need you to stay underneath that foundation hidden, honey. I don't need you to be the maid of honor at this girl's wedding, honey. I need you to just be a simple guest underneath the foundation. You are an invited guest of the foundation. Don't come out trying to steal the show, honey, okay? Pores, hello. But yes, so this is the 5-piece kit, and like I said, it comes in this pouch right here. Love it. For my teenage girls, it comes with like stickers inside of it. I just give the stickers to my kids because I'm like, why? But yes, so on Sundays, this is how I treat myself to a fabulous skincare routine. This is my morning time skincare routines, especially on Sundays, and I love the price of this kit. For $25. I don't think that's a bad price for everything that you're getting. You're actually getting the actual complete set with the steps. You're just getting it in a mini form for you to test out, sample out. Love it. You can't beat it, honey. And make sure that you like this video. Comment in the comment section down below what's your favorite skincare routine to do on a Sunday to get you revved up for Monday, as well as please click that subscribe button. It's a little red button down here somewhere, I don't know. And if you see my face pop up anywhere on the screen, that's another way for you to click my face. You can be subscribed to my channel like, you know, a few other folks are. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing, those of you that did. And thanks to my future subscribers. I see you. I see you. Click my face. Click the red button. Click whichever one. I don't care. Just click one. And I want you all to remember that you guys are awesome, wonderful, amazing, beautiful people walking around out here. Don't let anybody tell you any differently. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. I missed y'all. It's gonna be the last time I see you. Bye, guys.